Alright guys, so it is Tibbs Eve right now. So, it is very cold out. Like, it is snowy. But, like, it's actually rather bright. I know it doesn't look as bright in the camera as it actually is in real life. But probably, like, how it usually is around, like, 4 or 5 p.m. It's actually probably brighter. It's, like, 7 a.m. in the morning at wintertime. Like, there is some actual light to consider out here. The sky is obviously brighter than it usually is on like a regular summer day. So out here in the shed, we are ready for like Christmas time now. We have this here right now. We can open this up. We have so much stuff. We have wines, crushes, pops, like grape crush, turkey, beer, orange juice, cokes, ciders, vanilla coke, strawberry Fanta, Sprite cranberry, club soda, juice boxes, more club soda down there, fake beer glass, more beer back there, meat, many meats like chicken, steak, deer, fish, turkey. So yeah, you know what? This is quite the flex, actually, because that's just part of a grocery shop. Maybe like half of the stuff we got today for like only like 80 bucks Canadian, which is only like $60 American. So obviously we have a lot of groceries. It's kind of a flex having like a stocked refrigerator in these economic times in 2024. So as you can see, the snow is like coming down in blankets out here. It is cold out. I hope everybody's having a good Christmas Eve, Tibbs Eve, 2 days until Hanukkah. Here we go. It's crazy to think that Christmas morning is just like a day away. Ugh. Okay, so have Home Alone freeload. Dad, are you gonna make the popcorn?
No, Stanley, I'm not. No, Stanley, I'm not. No, Stanley, I'm not.
Alright, guys. Don't ask. So it's time to do day 23. So I haven't done the last week or so. Why is 8 turned around? That's weird. Can you guys find day 23? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right there, right there, right there. Right there, right there. Right there. So I got some knee surgery, Hershey Kisses with the Grinch on them. Hence the knee surgery reference. And that's what we've got. Plus we got this weird clothespin guy. I keep getting clothespins. So yeah, that's something. So I am about to tell you guys Happy Tibbs Eve if this is uploaded on the 23rd of 2024. 23rd of December 2024. This may be uploaded in like the wee hours of the morning of Christmas Eve, December 24th, 2024. So yeah. Thank you for watching and goodbye.
I don't wanna say goodbye to you, so I'll just say goodnight to you. My people, no goodbyes to you. I'm just gonna say goodnight.
Right now, I can see it so vivid.
God bless you.